Hi everyone, Taylor here from the Protocase team. In this tutorial, we're going to do a quick review of the new and improved Library Manager. So, Protocase Designer is our free CAD software that allows you to design, price, and order custom enclosures, brackets, and panels. Everything you design will start from one of our 40-plus templates, but from there you can fully customize it to what you need. A big part of the customizations you can make is the ability to add the cutouts, fasteners, and accessories you need so that the design you're creating is going to match your application and end-use requirements. We've streamlined our library of common assets to make your designing and customization even easier. To access the Library Manager, we'll need to go to the Face Editor. I've got my panel created according to my required dimensions, material, thickness, and color. To go to the Face Editor, I need to click on Edit Face, then click the panel face that I want to customize. Now that we're in the Face Editor, we can check out the Library Manager. There are two different ways to access the Library Manager. The first way is in the top navigation, where you see the Library Manager. This was previously called Cutout Library and Fasteners. You can also access the Library Manager on the left-hand navigation, where it's simply called Library. Once Library Manager is clicked, a new window will pop up where you can see the different categories of the Library Manager: cutouts, graphics, hardware, fasteners, and personal. Cutouts is where you'll find all the common cutouts for various connectors, components, and accessories. Graphics is where you can find many different common graphics that are used for labeling and other applications. Hardware is where you can select various types of accessories and components, including handles, rubber feet, and various computer hardware. Fasteners allow you to select self-clinching fasteners, whether spacers, PEMs, or other types, and place them on your design. Finally, the last tab is called Personal. This is your repository for any cutout, graphic, sub-assembly, or component that you've saved to your personal library. One thing to note: you can use the search function to look for something across the entire library. However, you will need to move from tab to tab to see if any search results are highlighted for the term you've entered. For instance, if I'm searching for the laser symbol and I search laser, I won't see any results under cutouts. But if I move to the graphics tab, the category of graphics that has my search term will be highlighted. Here's another example. If I search USB, I will see results in both the cutouts and graphics library. Once you've found the object you want to place on your design, you just need to select it and click Place this item. You can also opt to click Create New Personal Copy if you want to have it stored in your own personal library. This covers our brief tutorial on the new and improved Library Manager. If you have any questions or want to provide feedback, leave a comment below or send an email to info@protocasedesigner.com. Thanks for watching. Happy designing!